Good morning, students. Today we will learn about the knitting. So basically in the knitting, firstly we will learn plain knit, and for every knit we firstly need to learn the cast on. So this is the first step to do the knitting process. So in this video I will firstly tell you about the cast on. So we need, here I have chosen 2-ply yarn of wool and pair of needles, and you can choose the needle the number of needles like 9, 10, 11 or 12, and here I have chosen 12 number, and this is I think the sufficient to do the cast on and for the plain knit. Also needles, we choose needles according to the yarn. This is the 2-ply yarn, so this is the sufficient and this is a perfect needle for this yarn. Firstly we will learn, as we are learning cast on, so firstly we will make a slip knot first. First of all, hold the yarn like this and okay, hold the yarn like this and pass the needle from this loop and this is the slip knot. Okay students, I will again tell you that how I have made the slip knot. Hold the yarn like this. Firstly I will tell you that students leave the tail to about 10 to 15 centimeters. Okay, and you can see I have leave this length of yarn, and here we will make slip knot. Move the yarn like this, so you can see this pattern have made, and then pass the needle from this hole and now pull the yarn to make a slip knot. So this is the slip knot. Always hold the needle in right hand. Hold these two yarns with 3 fingers like this and make a strong grip. Then with thumb and finger create a tension like this, and also hold the yarn with 3 fingers and create a tension here in a triangular form. Then firstly pass the needle behind the yarn. Wait. Pass the needle behind this yarn. Okay, this yarn only we will take this, and then from this, and then we will lose the loop. So we have made the loop here. I will again tell you that how it has formed. Hold the 2 yarns with these 3 fingers, then create a tension in a triangular form with thumb and finger. Then pass the needle behind the yarn, and then from this side, then pull the yarn. So so that to make a loop. So we will again and again repeat this step until we get a perfect length, as we are going to make a sample 10 by 10 or 8 by 8. So make sure that these kind of loops you will make around to about 8 inches or 10 inches. Okay students, hope you get this idea that how I have done the cast on. So this is the first and basic step to start the knitting. Okay students, thank you.